What's going on YouTube? My name is Joshua Chopy and I am an 18-year-old investor and I've been using the Robinhood app for about almost a year now. I started investing in around 2018, August of 2018. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my about $3.9 thousand portfolio and I'm using the Robinhood app. So if you guys are interested in starting to invest for yourself, I highly recommend that you use my referral link in the description below, as you have potential to get a free stock such as Apple or Facebook, and you'll get a free stock no matter what, but it even boosts your chances to get a couple $100 out of it. So sign up for Robinhood with my link in the description below. So we're going to get started with my portfolio here just now. I'm going to start with my first holding in my portfolio, which is CVS. And I have a total of 20 shares of CVS. CVS is one of my biggest holdings in my portfolio, and they're currently trading at $56.20. I have a total of 20 shares with an equity of $1,124. They're down today 1.56%, and my total return on CVS, I'm down 202.69, which is a total of negative 15.28%. This is just because CVS recently acquired a company, and when you acquire a company, you acquire a lot of debt. So I have no doubt that this debt will be reincorporated in the company, and it'll be paid off well in the future. And CVS will eventually, obviously, become more valuable with this recent acquisition that they've had. My next one is AG&C Investment. I recently acquired this company a couple days ago, and I acquired it because of their monthly dividend is a total of 12.31%, which is a huge dividend. I've recently acquired this one for $18.12, and they're currently down to $17.99. So I have lost money, but I have no doubt that this will come back in my dividend payments this month or next month, whenever their next payment comes. My next one is Ford. I have currently 26 shares of Ford, and they're currently trading at $8.51. My average cost was $8.61, and I've lost a total of $2.67 in this holding, but my dividend yield for Ford is $7.84%. So I'm happy with this holding, and I'm happy with the dividend yield on Ford, as they're great income for my portfolio, so I can reinvest my profits and continue to compound interest. My next one, I have Bank of America. I have 20 shares of Bank of America, and currently Bank of America is at $28.62. Today they've had a bad day. They're down 3.41%, but they are up still for me. I've lost $20.60 today, but for my total return, I'm up $72.55. And my average cost for Bank of America was $24.99. My next holding is Coca-Cola, and Coca-Cola is currently trading at $45.53. I'm currently holding 5 shares of Coca-Cola with a total equity of $227.65. And my total return, I'm down $7.58, also known as 3.22% down. But their dividend yield is 3.29%. And I'm happy to have this as another cash flow investment for my portfolio, so I can continue to reinvest and compound my interest. My next one is Nike. Nike is currently trading at $86.69. They're down 1.14% for the day, but I have 5 shares of Nike with an equity of $433.45. My average cost was $81.83. I'm down $5 for the day, but my total return is up $24.32, and my dividend yield is 1.09%, which is great cash flow, so I can continue to reinvest in any other stocks that I so choose. Next one is a growth stock. This is one of my favorite stocks that I've recently invested in, and one of the best performing stocks that I have acquired as of late. So they're down 3.83% for the day, but this is a stock known as Yeti, and you may know them as the cooler or coffee mug company that has recently took off and become very trendy in recent years. They're currently trading at $28.16. My average cost was $24.04. I have 4 shares with an equity of $112.64. I'm down $4.48 for the day, but my total return is about $16.50 or 17.16%. So as this is a growth stock, they do not have a dividend yield, but if I were to cash out today, I wouldn't be too disappointed, as I cashed out cash flow positive with $16.50 more than I have when I originally invested in this company. My next one is a buy and hold. This is known as Apple. I currently have 2 shares, and Apple is currently trading at $187.95. Apple is my 2 shares equity is worth $375.90. I'm up $2.84 for the day, but my total return, I'm down $6.04, also known as 1.58%. Apple has a dividend yield of $1.20%, and I currently get about, I get 73 cents per dividend yielding every time Apple pays a dividend, which is a great cash flow for my portfolio, so I can reinvest in other assets such as growth stocks possibly, or some other stocks with all my dividends that I get paid. So this is awesome to continue to reinvest and compound my interest. My next holding in my portfolio is another growth stock. This is Facebook. My current holding in Facebook is 1 share, and it's worth $165.35. My average cost was $165.31, so I'm up $3.78 for the day, as Facebook was down, but now they're back up. But my total return is actually just 4 cents. And this has no dividend yield, as they are a growth stock, and I have no doubt that Facebook will continue to grow in the next coming years when I'm ready to obviously sell off my share of Facebook, or maybe even boost up my position in Facebook. I'll have more, it'll be valued more than what I originally invested, so I could cash in on those capital gains. Or even if they eventually have a dividend, then I'll continue to hold on to this company, as I see that they are continuing to implement with new technology and advertising and marketing. I think they're a great hold for the future. My next holding is Square, and I like Square a lot. They're a growth stock as well. I have 1 share that cost me $77.40. My equity in the company right now is actually $75.10. I've lost $2.30 on this holding, but I am very faithful in this company because Jack Dorsey, the CEO of Twitter, he created Twitter, this huge brand all around the world. He's the CEO of this company, which is a great payment processing program and company and product. And I feel like this is where technology is going as far as capturing payments for businesses. So I feel like Square could be a huge player in the business one day. But for now, I'm just going to have 1 share, but I plan to implement more shares if I see an opportunity there. So I'll continue to grow my position in Square. I'm trying to get more growth stocks in my portfolio, as I have a lot of dividend payers. And for a kid my age, it's more important for me to invest in growth stocks. But I'm trying to have a little bit of a balance for both. Next is LTC Properties. This is a monthly dividend payer. I currently hold 1 share worth $44.59. My average cost was $44.85. And I'm down 26 cents on this investment, but the dividend yield is 5.47%, and I believe this is a monthly dividend payer, so I can continue to have cash flow into my portfolio to reinvest into other stocks and assets. Next is Netflix. Netflix had a big leap today. They jumped 4.58% for the day, which is up $16.44. They're currently worth $375 on the dot, and I currently hold 1 share. My average cost was $364.84, and my total return on my investment is 2.78%, or $10.16. I've been holding Netflix since September of 2018, so I've been waiting for them to come back after this long and draining downward trend, and they finally came back, and I'm now profitable in my holding of Netflix, but I'm going to hold on to it for even longer to see how high it goes. I look at this as a great long-term play because Netflix is doing a lot with streaming services and new technology, and I think that they're going to be a big player, and they are a big player now. I think they're still going to continue to grow and become one of the bigger companies in the world. They are still a massive company, but I know that there's room to grow with Netflix. My next stock is another growth stock. This is AMD. They're currently trading at $25.90. I currently hold 1 share. My average cost was $22.96. My total return for this stock is 12.8%, or $2.94. And I've looked to increase my position on AMD as they're implementing their computer chips in a bunch of new tech products lately. And I feel like they're still going to be a big player in the computer industry and work with a bunch of other companies to continue to use their products within the computers that are built. My next stock is Morgan Stanley. This is another bank stock that I hold. I have one share totaling $42.83. And I'm up on my position $3.83% or $1.58. And this dividend yield is 2.77%. Morgan Stanley, I look at a great long-term hold and just a great dividend-paying stock. My final stock in this portfolio is AT&T. I bought AT&T with an average cost of $30, but they're currently trading at $30.48. And my total return is 48 cents or 1.6%. They have a great dividend yield of 7.04%, so they're a great dividend aristocrat to have in my portfolio and to continue to bring cash flow into my portfolio so I can reinvest the profits into other assets and continue to compound my interest. So guys, if you'd like to hear more about my Robinhood portfolio and have more updates on my portfolio, be sure to hit the like button down below. Also subscribe to the channel for more content and use my referral link in the description below if you're interested in signing up for Robinhood and getting a free stock. Catch you later, guys. Peace.